Good morning, trees. Good morning, sky. Let's wake the world with a cheerful cry.
Niko, you sound amazing today.
The forest feels alive when you sing. Not bad, little bird. Not bad at all. You guys are the best audience. I'll sing for you every day. Alright, here we go. Ah! Oh! What? No sound? Why isn't it working?
Niko, where's your song?
I think I lost my voice. I can't sing. Oh no, that never happened before. I don't know what to do. Without my song, I don't feel like me.
Well, no singing? Then I will bring the laugh. Okay, why don't trees take test? Because they always get stumped.
That's awful. But I needed that laugh. Niko, about a story. You wanna hear it? Sure. Once, there was a bird who forgot how to sing. But every day, his friends came and reminded him he was loud until one day his song came back, stronger than ever. That's a beautiful story. I may not the cuddliest creature, but here, my feather. I don't give those out easily. Might bring you some luck. Obi, thank you. This really means a lot. Maybe I don't need to force it. Maybe just a little trip. Trip. Trip, trip. Hello stars and glowing moon. Maybe I'll sing again soon.
He is singing. Niko is singing again.
I knew it. It was never really gone. Told you the feather would work. My voice came back. But even when it was gone, I had something better. I had you guys, my friends.